Have you ever found yourself stuck in a cycle with a woman where you feel like you're giving your all, but it seems like no matter what you do, you're just not enough? You're the guy who's always there, always willing to go the extra mile, but she still finds ways to push you away. You might start to question yourself. Am I not attractive enough? Am I not successful enough? Am I not interesting enough? But here's the truth. The problem might not be you. The issue could be that you're always there, always available, always eager. You're basically a safe bet for her. But that safety can get boring. That predictability can become mundane. You see, in the intricate dance of human interaction, there's a delicate balance between presence and absence. There's a reason why the phrase, "absence makes the heart grow fonder," exists, and understanding this principle can change the entire game when it comes to dealing with a woman who seems to take you for granted. In this video, I will delve into 7 reasons why walking away from a woman who doesn't appreciate your presence can make her realize your true worth. By the end of this video, you will discover how creating some distance can actually drive her to think about you more than you might expect, making her actions, whether positive or negative, work in your favor. So stay tuned. This is going to be a game changer for you. Number 1. You demonstrate that you're not desperate. Imagine this. You're playing a crucial match. The score is tied. The clock is ticking down. The ball is in your hands. Do you force a risky shot, desperate to win, or do you wait for the right moment, play smart, and increase your chances of victory? Desperation is a killer in both basketball and dating. When a woman senses desperation, it's game over for most guys. They're too busy chasing, pleasing, and convincing. They're not focusing on themselves. They don't have a life outside of the relationship. When you're desperate, you're focused on getting something rather than being focused on yourself. Desperation doesn't come from a place of strength. It comes from fear. Fear of being alone, fear of losing her, fear of failure. But when you walk away, when you decide to take a step back and let her come to you, you show her that you are confident in yourself, secure in your own worth. This sudden shift can immediately grab her attention. It challenges her perception of you. She begins to see you not just as a person who's always available and willing to do anything, but as an individual with agency, someone who values himself and isn't afraid to prioritize his own needs. And that is a quality that is incredibly magnetic. Number 2, you flip the dynamics of power. The modern dating scene often presents a skewed reality. For many men, they find themselves constantly seeking attention, approval, and affection. They walk on eggshells around women, terrified of causing offense or upsetting the balance. Women seem to hold all the cards. But here's the twist. This dynamic can be shifted, can be turned on its head. When you walk away from a woman who's taking you for granted, you snatch away her perceived power. Think of it like a game of chess. You make a move that she wasn't expecting, that challenges her carefully laid plans. It disrupts the status quo, and in that disruption lies opportunity. By choosing to walk away, you communicate clearly that you will not be taken for granted. You refuse to be treated as an option or a backup plan. And this act alone can awaken a sense of urgency in her. She realizes that she can no longer count on your unwavering presence. She understands that you are a valuable piece on the board, and you won't remain in a position where you're not valued. And this realization can be a potent motivator for change. Number 3, you become a captivating challenge. Challenges are irresistible. Studies in psychology prove that our brains are wired to seek challenges. We get bored easily with things that become routine. The thrill of the hunt, the joy of overcoming obstacles, the satisfaction of a hard-earned victory. These are all deeply ingrained in our nature. So how can you use this to your advantage with a woman who's taking you for granted? Well, it's simple. Become the challenge. When you walk away, when you introduce some mystery into your life, You transform yourself into a puzzle that she's suddenly desperate to solve. You're no longer the easy-to-get guy, the one who's always available, the one whose feelings are easily manipulated. You become a challenge and she's naturally drawn to figuring you out. Number 4. You stop competing with other men. Picture this. You're running a race, but you're not looking at the finish line. You're constantly glancing over your shoulder at the guy behind you, trying to beat him. Where do you end up? Nowhere fast. You lose sight of your goal. And that's exactly what happens to many men when they're fixated on holding on to a woman. They compare themselves to other guys, often imaginary ones. They imagine other guys vying for her attention, and that fuels their anxiety. When you walk away, you break free from this cycle. You stop competing in a race that serves no purpose. Instead, you focus on yourself. When you stop reacting to her whims, stop chasing her validation, and stop trying so hard, you stand out. You become the guy she can't understand, the guy who seems unbothered, the guy who seems to have his own life. That's when you win. You win because you're not playing her game anymore. Number 5. You make her feel the weight of your absence. Have you ever heard the phrase, "Absence makes the heart grow fonder"? This common saying holds a profound truth that resonates deeply in the realm of human emotions and relationships. It suggests that physical absence can paradoxically intensify the feelings of fondness, affection, and appreciation we have for the people in our lives. But it's not just about affection. It also works with respect and attraction. The idea is that when someone is constantly present, they can sometimes be taken for granted. We might overlook their value, allowing our feelings towards them to diminish. However, when that person steps away, even for a short time, our perspective shifts. We begin to notice their absence. We start to realize how their presence enriched our lives. It's like when you take a detour and choose a different route. You might stumble upon a hidden gem, a cafe with the perfect cup of coffee, or a park with a breathtaking view. It's in these moments of discovery that you realize what you've been missing, and you appreciate the journey that led you there. Walking away is essentially giving her this experience. It allows her to miss you, to feel your absence, and realize what she had. Number 6. You rebuild your masculine frame. Men have a natural tendency to want to nurture and care for those they love, which is a beautiful aspect of human nature. But when this instinct kicks in, they sometimes go overboard. They drop everything, invest all their time and energy, and neglect other areas of their life. They sacrifice their own well-being, their personal growth, and their sense of identity. So when a woman pulls away, it's an opportunity to reassert that frame. To remind yourself that while caring is important, it shouldn't come at the cost of your own core. When you walk away, you signal that you are not entirely defined by her. You are not a person whose sole purpose is to please or cater to her needs. You are an independent individual with your own dreams, goals, and aspirations. And this newfound clarity can be incredibly appealing to women. It shows that you're not just a doormat, but a strong, self-assured man who knows his worth. And number 7, you give her the gift of missing you. The art of making a woman miss you lies in the power of subtlety. While it might seem counterintuitive, pulling away can be one of the most effective ways to ensure that she thinks about you. When you are constantly present, she may take you for granted. But when you introduce a bit of space into your interactions, you become a part of her thoughts, even when you're not there. This phenomenon can be attributed to a psychological principle known as the scarcity principle. This principle states that we tend to value things more when they are less available. When you walk away, you decrease your availability, thus increasing her perception of your value. She begins to question why you're not around as much and starts to wonder what you're up to. And as these questions arise, her thoughts drift towards you, reminiscing about your past interactions and the qualities that made you special. This is a powerful dynamic that can make her actions, whether positive or negative, work in your favor. Remember, absence can be a catalyst for her to realize the depth of her feelings and to understand the importance of your role in her life. So there you have it. Walking away from a woman who doesn't appreciate you can be one of the most empowering things you can do. It puts the power back in your hands, it challenges her perception of you, and it allows you to rediscover yourself. Remember, brothers, you are kings in your own right, and you deserve to be treated as such. Don't settle for less. Don't allow yourself to be taken for granted. Walk away, not because you're weak, but because you're strong. Walk away because you have the courage to prioritize yourself. Walk away because you know you deserve better. Thank you for watching. And if you want to continue to level up, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.